Good morning. Well, good afternoon. I'm sorry. It's good afternoon now. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make something. I've got to get rid of some sausage. So it's a pound of sausage. It's Gano's mild sausage, and then I've got a pound of ground chuck here, and I'm going to go on and start the pan, and then I've got some an onion that I've got to cut up. I'm going to make a French bread pizza today, I think. This knife, it's the Time and Table. It's a knife set that you can get at Walmart, and it's pretty sharp, but it's not the sharpest. But I'm trying to use a little bit of all of my knives so I don't just rely on one, because show y'all. I think you can see. I went on and got this out yesterday afternoon. This is my Power XL air fryer. It's a 7-quart, and I think I'm going to use it today with some asparagus. I'm gonna see. I've got some. I ordered some those little things that you put in the bottom of it, the little parchment paper things that go in the bottom of here. I ordered some of those. They won't be here until tomorrow, but I'm going to go on and do the asparagus today and see. I've never tried asparagus or even thought about putting asparagus in here, but I've got in a air fryer, but I've got some that was on sale. They had asparagus at Kroger for $1.88 a pound. So I got 2 pounds of it, and I'm going to try it in my air fryer and see how it does. So I've got this going now, and then I'll bring you back, and we're going to do all this today. All right, bring you back. Okay, y'all, here is the bottom of my air fryer. This is a 7-quart, so I'm going to put that in there, and I did Kroger pickup the other day, and I told them that I wanted 2 zucchinis. Now, look at these. Look how little. What did they think that I was going to do with those 2 little zucchinis? So I'm going to cut these up, and I'm going to put these in here with the asparagus, because there's really nothing, and I'll just save them. The kids like zucchinis, so I'm going to go on and save that for them. I might eat a couple pieces of it, but I figured that they'll like this, and they love asparagus, so I'm definitely going to save them some asparagus. And here, this is the 2 pounds that you got. It's $1.88 a pound, and I want to show y'all. You see it's got a rubber band there. Well, I'm going to cut above. Let me get this down so you can see more. I'm going to cut right above that, and I cut the rubber band. That was good, Debbie. And then I'm going to take this rubber band off. It's a whole lot easier if you keep the rubber bands that usually come with the asparagus on there and cut. So that's going to be what I'm going to go on and put in here. Let's see. Oh, I can go on and do the other one. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to cut above the rubber band. There you go. And then I'm going to take the top one off. And I'm going to spread it out in here in this basket. And then I'm going to spray this. I may have to take this out. I didn't even think about it. I need to put some oil on it. So I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I took the asparagus and the zucchini out because, like a dummy, I put it in there and didn't even put any oil on it. So I'm going to use this Pompeian 100% grapeseed oil, and I'm going to pour some of that on the asparagus and the zucchini. And then I'm going to pour, I'm going to put some of the Body Complete seasoning on here. Alright, and then I'm going to put I've just got some of the Kraft Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to put some of that on here. And I'm going to get in here with my hands, move this all around and get as much as I can of the seasoning and the all on here. I'm not putting any salt in here because the Parmesan cheese has got salt on it, so. And I think it's going to be enough oil on here, but I will shake this in the air fryer every so often to get this, get it all on here. All right, I'm going to go on and put this in the basket now. I'm going to put the zucchini on top. I had it on the bottom before, but I think I'm going to put it on top of the asparagus. And the hamburger, or the ground chuck, and the sausage is almost done for the pizzas. And I can't use the air fryer until I finish using the New Wave, because the New Wave is 1500 watts and the air fryer is 1700 watts. And I think it would kick the breaker. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I wasn't familiar at all with this air fryer, and it probably would have helped if I'd read the manual. I mean, I did look over the manual yesterday, but I really didn't, read too much about it. And I couldn't figure out how you turned the thing on, and I had this, I thought you needed to get it hot for 5 minutes or whatever, and so I was going to do that, and you can't get it hot unless you've got this little thing in there with it, so I had to put that in there, and then I set it to, I don't know, I was looking at all the things, and I just went to 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, I'll shake it and see how it's doing, and the hamburger is done. Now I've got to get to the Ninja Foodi, because I'm going to go on and make the pizza, the French bread pizza, but I've got to toast up the bread some before I actually do that, and I'm going to do that in the Ninja Foodi. So, oh my gosh. But anyway, I'll bring y'all back when I get to the Ninja Foodi. Okay, y'all, only one piece of this bread is going to fit in here, so I'm going to have to toast up one piece at a time. So I've just got this on air crisp, and I've just got it on 20 minutes, because I mean, I'll just lift it up and get one out, and it's probably going to kick the breaker. I just heard the Ninja Foodi, well, I just heard the air fryer go down. Alright, I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I forgot to bring you back when I started fixing the pizza. I've got the French bread. Then I've got Great Value pizza sauce that's got pizza sauce all over it now. And I can't, there it is. Alright, so I'm putting the sausage and the ground beef on here. And I'm just using my hands because I just washed my hands. It's just easier that way. Alright, and then I'm going to put some bacon on here. This is the ground chuck and the sausage. Then I'm going to put some bacon. Alright. Then I'm going to put some cheese. This is just Kroger shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put some of that on here and make a mess. If y'all been watching me any at all, you know that the worst thing I do is make a mess. I always make a mess. Alright, now I'm going to put some pepperonis on here. And then I'm going to put it back in the Ninja Foodi. And let it get hot. And then this will be Ashley's. And I'm going to let Ashley do the taste test for y'all today. Alright. Alright, now let me put this back in the Ninja Foodi. And it's probably going to take 5 or so minutes to cook this. So I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so Ashley's pizza is done. I just put the bread in there for mine. So, I mean, but here is Ashley's. I'm going to give it to her. And stand right there. And I'm going to... Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so here's... She's going to eat her pizza. Let me zoom in on her a little bit. It's probably not crunchy enough. It's probably...
That's pretty good.
It's... but I still think I started the air fryer for 5 more minutes on the asparagus, which I like my asparagus pretty done. Okay, y'all, I'm bringing you back. I wanted to show you the asparagus. Here's the asparagus, and you can see it's crispy on the very ends, which is how I love it like that. This is so good. That's one thing that the air fryer did that the oven can't do. It's got the ends crispy, but the rest of it is not. It is so good. Alright, and here's my pizza. It's a French bread pizza. You can hear I'm heating up the other pieces. Alright. Oh, wow. The ground beef and the bacon, the ground beef and the onions and the sausage, the bacon, oh, this is just amazing. Let me zoom in on this asparagus so that you can see how crispy the ends are, but the rest of it isn't. You can't hear it, but it's amazing. And here's the pizza. I've got the pizza sauce on the bottom, then the hamburger The sausage and the onion is next. Then bacon. Then cheese. And then pepperoni. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to get off of here and eat. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also there'll be links below to different things that I use in my kitchen. Have a good day. Bye.